Hello, this is part 2 of Risk of Rain 2 for Rambo mode. I am back. I just had to eat really quick at Pozole. It was really delicious. Where we left off was where I went very ballistic mode / Rambo mode. Now we are leaving this place and moving on to insane as a very difficult level. Great. It's just amazing. This is like the Imp world or Fire world, I suppose. Oh great, we also got these things here now. Get these out of here. No, dinosaurs! We got freaking dinosaurs here? Oh no, these are just big ass lizards. Maybe we should. There we go. Maybe I shift? Okay, there we go. Oh god, that took so much damage. Start running. Run! Come on, kill. Kill. Come on! Oh! No thank you. No thank you. No gracias. Oh god. No! Do not want to die. Oh no. Jesus Christ. No. Piss off. There we go. Oh my god, there's more lizards. Chest! I know we are in a huge crisis right now, getting my ass kicked, but let's get a chest at least. You might hear my dogs again. Increase attack speed! Okay, good. There's a turret! There's a turret! Let's go! Alright, let's... There's more stuff. I really want like more drones. To have like a drone army. That would be so cool. Yeah, if you're please. God damn it, hurt. Please, out of here. Get out of here. Oh god. No thank you. I don't really want to waste my money in there. Hey! Sorry, you might hear my dogs whining. They're in a cage. Okay, gotta kill this guy. There we go. Oh god. There we go. I have 1,000. Very nice. Another drone, healing. I like this one better. Detonate. There we go. Detonation. Damn it. Whee! Oh, drones here. Wait. Oh, god. There's fire lizards here. Sock him out. There we go. Easy. Let's go down here. Damn! Killing enemy releases homing daggers. Oh my god, that is OP. Hey, hold on, I want to see this. Jesus Christ, that is hella OP. Get more turrets. Stay in their ground. We will make a stand. How my trunks moving? Look at these lizards. Look at that, there's something. Ta! We'll make our stand against the lizards. Amazing. Just amazing. Just cool. Just cool like that. What's this right here? Okay. Increase sprint speed by 25. That's cool. Do a little bit of rock climbing. There we go. Anything else around here? No. Skydive. Then teleport. More of these. Huh. Oh my god, check that out over there. Jesus Christ, that turret's dealing a lot. It's doing a lot of damage. It's amazing. Oh, great, more imps. Yay, tougher times. Let's go. So basically, tougher times. I really want to get like at least 50 because I remember my uncle, he plays this game. I remember him telling me that he had 50 like with these bears and he was just unbeatable. He couldn't die at all. I really want to get 50. See the experience. He was practically invincible. So. More turrets! God, bro. I have no idea. I think that's a missile. I think that's a missile one. Hey, leave that turret alone. There we go. We're gonna make our stand. We are going to make our stand. We are in impossible. Make our stand. There we go. This is cool. This is very cool. These guys stand no chance. Get out of here. Right, we got this thing. Out of here. Slammed onto me. Okay, get the missile turret. Wait, which one? Oh no, get away! No! God damn it. Wait, we lost a turret. God, they're pushing. They're pushing. Oh no! Me no like. Okay, wait, let's jump over here. He's out of here. Get out of here. Thank you! Híjole, get out of here! There we go. Oh, I already explored this area. Alright, cool. Great, now to do is just search around for the teleporter. Temple teleporter. I'm just gonna call it a temple. Oh my god. Piss off. More glasses. Dealing double damage. Nice. Hop up here. Hold on one more second. There we go. What the hell? It's out of here. Gotta keep moving. You know, screw it, I'm just gonna buy it. I don't care. I'm gonna give it a chance at least. Yep, better. So, but this right here. Call drones for backup. I would love to have that thing. That would be so cool. Just see a turret battle. Well, not a turret battle, like a drone battle. Oh, there's a whole bunch. Okay. Oh my god, strike drones. Jesus Christ. It's just a battlefield. Oh my god. We are practically unstoppable. Oh, Ren, I see you now. Jump over here. Let's go. I really need to find the turret. Well, not the turret, temple. Get out of here. Get out of here, losers. What the hell? What the hell? What on earth was that? Hold on. There's something down here that resembled a temple. Yeah, you have invited a challenge of the map. What? What did I do? What did I do? Pay a shrine. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, thank you. Get up here. Gold! I got 2,000. Great. Go! I get staff, okay. Oh no, never mind. It's crowbar, not staff. Okay. Let's go here. I saw the temple over there, so that's where I gotta head. Over here. God damn it. Oh, I could just take that, guys. Okay, good. Whee! What's this over here? I don't think it's anything. Adapted chest. I got the bear! Bet! What is that over there? Hold on. I see some more stuff to buy. Oh, never mind, never mind. Never mind, that was a stupid decision. Get out of here. Back out. Get up here. There we go. There's the temple. Off. Activate. Get Delta Squad. What the hell? What the hell's this? I did not care. I'm just got my drones up there battling. What the hell? Hey, hey, hey! Fuck off. No, thank you. Oh my god! It just turned all hell from right there. What the hell was that? Fuck off! Jesus, hold on, I'm gonna check this out. There are a whole bunch! How many of them are there? Keep running. Strike team. Jesus Christ! Get out of here! Oh my god! Killed by brass contraption? Oh my god! That was crazy. Jesus, I had so much good stuff at least. Well, this was the second part of Rambo mode. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe. I will post more about Risk of Rain soon. Meantime, I'm gonna have some alone time. Thank you, and have a good day.